The Rocket Lab to build 18 U.S. missile tracking satellites in $816 million deal. Rocket Lab has secured its largest contract to date, an $816 million deal comprising an $806 million base amount plus up to $10.45 million in options from the U.S. Space Development Agency, SDA, to design and manufacture 18 satellites for the Tracking Layer Tranche 3, TRKT-3, program. This is part of the Proliferated Warfighter Space Architecture, PWSA, aimed at providing global, persistent detection and tracking of emerging missile threats, including hypersonic systems. The satellites will feature advanced missile warning, tracking, and defense sensors. The spacecraft will be built on Rocket Lab's Lightning platform, incorporating in-house components such as solar arrays, reaction wheels, star trackers, propulsion systems, avionics, payloads, and launch dispensers. Key technologies include the next-generation Phoenix infrared sensor, a wide field of view solution, and Starlight space protection sensors designed for resilience against directed energy threats. Notably, Starlight sensors have also been selected by other TRKT-3 prime contractors, positioning Rocket Lab as a key merchant supplier with potential for additional subsystem opportunities that could push the total capture value to around $1 billion. This award builds on Rocket Lab's previous $515 million contract for 18 satellites in the SDA's Transport Layer Beta Tranche 2 program, bringing their total SDA contracts to over $1.3 billion. Rocket Lab founder and CEO Peter Beck commented, "The Tranche 3 tracking layer constellation is part of the U.S. Space Force's strategy to counter rapidly evolving global threats, ensuring the nation's defense capabilities remain ahead of adversaries. Rocket Lab is honored to play a role in enabling this. Demand for resilient, scalable, and affordable space systems continues to grow, and this award demonstrates that Rocket Lab is uniquely positioned to lead the charge in delivering solutions that meet the needs of national security." The announcement, made on December 19, 2025, had a positive impact on Rocket Lab's stock, NASDAQ, RKLB. On that day, shares opened at $61.22 and closed at $70.52, marking a 15.38% gain. The prior day, December 18th, saw a 6.62% increase, closing at $59.92. This deal underscores Rocket Lab's growing role in national security space programs, leveraging their vertically integrated approach for speed and cost efficiency.